Hello everyone, welcome to Mailercloud. In this video, I'll guide you through Mailercloud's email API platform. Let's start with the dashboard. Here you'll find a quick overview of your email activity, like how many emails were sent, delivered, opened, marked as spam and bounced, all in real time. You'll also see a visual graph that shows how your emails are performing over time, and you can filter the data by specific dates using the calendar option at the top right. Now, let's move to the activity section. The activity tab gives you a complete overview of all your transactional email events, displayed in a clear and organized list. You can see the event type, date and time, sender and recipient email addresses, and the email subject, all in one place. If you click on any specific activity log, a panel will slide in from the right, showing the full delivery history of that email. You'll be able to see when the email was queued, when it was sent, and whether it was successfully delivered. It also includes technical details such as the message ID, recipient server, IP address, and email provider, all useful for tracking and debugging. To help you narrow down what you're looking for, there's a powerful filter option at the top of the activity section. You can filter activities by subject line, event type, like delivered or bounced, sender and recipient email, and even by specific date range using the date picker on the right. This makes it easy to quickly locate any specific email interaction. Once you filter the data you need, you can click on the export button in the top right corner to download a report of your activity. This is helpful for audits, analytics, or sharing with your team. Next, let's go to the domains section. This is where you can authenticate your sending domains, manage sender addresses, and enable open tracking. To get started, click on Add Domain and enter your domain name. Once you do that, you'll receive a set of DNS records, including CNAME and TXT entries, that need to be added to your domain provider's DNS settings. After adding those records, click Verify. Keep in mind that the verification process can take up to 48 hours due to DNS propagation. Once verified, the status will be updated on the screen. You can also toggle open tracking on or off directly from here. If you want to see more details of a domain, just click the Details button next to it. And if you wish to remove a domain, select the Remove Domain option from the dropdown under that same button. Under the Sender Management tab, you can add new sender email addresses along with your company details. There's also a Reply IDs tab where you can enter and verify the email addresses that will be used to handle replies. Setting up your domain correctly helps ensure reliable email delivery and protects your sender reputation. Next, let's explore the SMTP settings under the Settings tab. This section provides all the information you need to configure your application or website to send transactional emails through Mailercloud. Here you'll find the SMTP server, port, security protocol, and your username, which is your registered email address. To enhance security, your password is hidden by default, but you can choose to either view it or copy it using the icons on the right. You'll also see an option to generate a new password if you ever need to reset your SMTP credentials. These credentials are essential for connecting your systems to Mailercloud's SMTP server and ensuring seamless email delivery. Now let's move on to the IP Allowlist under the Settings section. This feature is all about enhancing your platform security. With the IP Allowlist, you can control who has access to your Mailercloud account by specifying trusted IP addresses. To get started, click Add IP Address. Here, you can enter a name for reference and then specify the IP address you want to allow. You have three options: add a single IP, define an IP range using a hyphen, or use a wildcard for more flexible access control. Once added, the IP will appear in the allowed list below. If needed, you can remove an IP address anytime using the delete icon on the right. This feature ensures that only the IPs you trust can interact with the platform, blocking all unauthorized access and safeguarding your data. Now let's move on to webhooks. A webhook is a way for applications to communicate automatically in real time. Instead of checking for updates manually, a webhook sends data from one app to another the moment an event happens. In Mailercloud, webhooks allow you to send real-time email activity data, like opens, bounces, deliveries, and more, directly to your own systems. For example, you can set up a webhook to automatically update your CRM the moment a user opens an email or when a delivery fails. This means no delays. Your systems are instantly informed and can react right away. It's a powerful way to automate follow-ups, alerts, or any business logic that depends on email interactions, keeping your workflows fast, connected, and responsive. Before we wrap up, there's also an option to switch between platforms. If you're using both the marketing and transactional platforms, you can easily toggle between them from the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Finally, let's take a look at the Usage Details tab. Here you can view your daily and monthly email usage. You'll see how many emails you've used out of your daily limit and total quota, along with the renewal date of your current plan. This helps you stay on top of your limits and scale operations with confidence. Mailercloud's email API platform is fast, scalable, and developer-friendly, giving you complete control over your transactional email infrastructure. Set it up in minutes, track everything in real time, and enjoy secure, reliable delivery across the globe. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing with Mailercloud.